Right now, urban music is a powerful force right now, and those guys, it's going to be hard to kind of choose. I think the fans have got a hard time.
There's such a lot of talent across the board. UK music is stronger than it's been for a very, very long time, in my opinion.
Our chances of winning as good as everyone else's. They wouldn't be nominated otherwise, you know. Everyone on there has worked, grafted to the bone, and, you know, in a way, everyone deserves a bit of credit on there, even if they don't win. No matter the outcome, everyone's worked their asses off basically to get to that point, and you know, it's just obviously the best newcomers, so their careers just starting next year. You never know, you could see some of the same artists in Best R&B, Best Song, all that kind of stuff, you know, so everyone just needs to keep grafting no matter what the outcome.
What does the Mobos mean to you?
You know what, it's what it says on the tin, the music of black origin. I think it's emotions. I think you forget that nowadays with music's just coming out and you can download and all the rest of it, that music is emotional based. And so for me, it's just about putting that emotion back into music, and black music does have that. You know,
and how do you think the Mobos are at inspiring and encouraging younger acts?
Very, 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 very important. If you just look out there, the people that have come and bought tickets to watch the show, or whole young audience, and so the fact that we can do this grand show, which is really fantastic this year, they will be inspired and want to be like the Chipmunks, like the DJ Ironics, like the Yolanda Browns.
It went really well, you know. I performed with Flawless and Ironic, and it was a blast. I had fun. It was
a blast. Did you learn any dance move from Flawless?
They taught me, never taught me, but we bring out the Kid in Play step.
Oh.
I don't know if they caught that on the camera, but I was feeling pretty good about myself.
This year it's fantastic because a lot of the mainstream artists that are probably going to get Brits as well are urban, like Tinchy, Chickmunk, N-Dubs. They're doing so well, not only in their category as music of black origin, but generally across the board. So it's quite an exciting year.
A bit on edge right now. Just come off the stage, we just took our first award of the night, which was amazing because we were up for 4 nominations in 3 categories. So out of the first, we took the first one out of the 4, so we're very happy. That's best album. We're over the moon right now.
It's diversity on Mobo TV. Bless.